So you really know that you've reached peak boredom during 2020 and 2021 when you start bird watching. Hey look, a squirrel. Here. That over there is a really rare bird known as Oliviacus sistricus. It seems to have came closer to the camera.
I am your talking bird. Hello.
Oh, it can talk. That's weird.
Flying out of here.
Alright, bye. Look for birds. Hey, look, a bird. Where is it? You're just screeching? Go back to doing what you were doing.
Huh?
Go back to doing what you were doing. Bird. Yes, I am really doing this. I'm gonna make this a series for no reason. Yeah, that's something I'm gonna do.